is Jose Castillo with GeekSouth.com, and what better way to celebrate a geek dinner than go-karts? Pizza buffet, then go-karts. So let's find out about some of the racing going on here. Tell me a little bit about racing.
Man, this is Geek South the way it ought to be. This is racing the way it ought to be.
What do you think about Geek South racing, Austin?
I just don't know about these nerds out here on these cars.
So you guys ready to race?
Yes.
Racing? Are you going to do some racing? Geek South racing?
Yes, that's right.
It's on, man. It's totally on.
Are you a Geek South racer?
I am, and we're all doomed.
Hey, here's some Geek South racers. How was it?
Geek South racing right there. Mark actually kicked our tail, but Cobalt right here. He was good on the horn.
Hey.
And he had a lot of yelling, and he was a good sport after that.
Geek South racing.
It was great. It was great. I tell you what, I've never been so excited.
What do you think, Eric? Are we going to do all right?
Oh yeah, I'm taking my camera. I'm shooting, I'm driving.
You realize, of course, yeah, that's a great way to damage a lot of expensive equipment.
I've done it before, and I'll do it again.
Especially if I'm driving. So. All right, this has been Geek South Racing. Take two will be all of us in body casts.
I'm hoping that they got my car set up right so it don't get loose at turn 2. Because, you know, I'd like to thank Goodyear for providing a good tire for us here at Fun Expedition. And